Hello friends, uh, this is my new collection and this is Alexa. So it's a digital device. I bought this one from Amazon. So let's see what is this within this box, and I will give a review and tell you what is specification of this one and what is limitations of this Alexa, which is a simple digital device. And let's see what is within this. I'm going to unboxing it. So simple. This is Alexa, just keep aside. And this is Echo Dot smart speakers plus Alexa. It's this is with clock, as you can see here. So LED display, 3.5 mm aux audio out, and with Bluetooth and 4 feed voice control if you are little 4, and microphone on off buttons. So compatible with thousands of skills and services like Amazon Prime Music, Ghana, Ola, Choo Choo TV, and ESPN Cricket information. And it's also has a advanced version of radio. And I think within this box will be Echo Dot third generation with clock and power adapter, and setup is simple, requires Wi-Fi and the Amazon Alexa app. So these are things what were written over here. Just let's unbox this one, and I'm going to see what is within this box. Okay, and oh, just let's see. Wow, wow, this one. So you can see this is Alexa. Okay, so I think this should be user guide and important information report out. Okay, these are all things information written over here. As we can see, important product information, safety information, product specification, recycling information for Indian customers. Okay, and instruction for product handling during and after uses. So you can read out here do's and don'ts. So additional safety and compliance information, Amazon terms and policies, but which is not necessary to read out, and limited warranty and instructions. So before using it, just go through these all things, limitations and warranty provider and additional information on all. So these are simple. So, and I think this one is uh, think what should be Hello Dot. Okay, this is I think user guide and all the information about to this Alexa. Okay, see, getting to know Echo Dot. So you can see just this one is original, and you can this is a sketch. So you can see, and which was a microphone on off button, volume down and off, actions, LED display readability, and download the Amazon Alexa with the. I think this is the setup process. Plug in your Echo Dot and power port, 3mm audio port, audio output. So set up your Echo Dot in Alexa app. Okay, so things to try with your Echo Dot. Enjoy your favorite music. Alexa, play 90s Bollywood music. Get answer to questions, get news, weather and sports updates, voice control your smartphone, home Alexa, dim and living room lights, Alexa, what are your routines, and all and all. And Alexa connected, you can call also through this. Stay organized and manage your home. Alexa, set an alarm at 6:30 am. Like this all you can uh, tell him, so it will work. And it also you can organize and manage, like Alexa, remind me to pay my phone bill. Okay, so and it also works in Hindi also. So and other things it will works for those it needs some customization in your Alexa app, and a separate subscription or additional compatible smart home devices also can you can add in on this. So and further things you can find when you will use. And this is optional, connect to speaker, so you can connect your Echo Dot to a speaker using Bluetooth or 3.5 mm cable. So if you are using 3.5 mm cable, your speaker should be at least 15 centimeter away. If you are using Bluetooth, you go to device setting in Alexa app to complete pairing and place your speaker at least 1 meter away from your Echo Dot for optimal performance. So minimum for audio cable. This is a specification and necessary. So getting started with your Echo Dot, where to put your Echo Dot, designed to protect your privacy, give us your feedback, and these are the things all about that Alexa information. So this is ultimate product, I think, which is what is within it. This will be adapter, charger adapter. Okay, this is one thing which is very necessary, I think. If you want to use it, just keep using this charger, because if you are, I think, putting it, using it without it can't work, I think. So it's, you should keep this charger connected with this main unit while using. So this is Alexa. Thank you guys for keeping watching this video, and keep watching. I will come again with a new product which will be maybe very new. It will be very new, maybe something else what I can expect and you can expect also. Thank you so much.